What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do things a little bit different because I am so happy to announce to you guys that I am launching my first collection of 2025. So last year, I did a lot of thinking and trying to get my business in order. So I'm going to rewind a little bit just to let you know, last year was a year of learning for me. My business did not make much money at all. I paid for vendor events where I did not make good profit. So this year I'm coming in with brand new goals, tasks, objectives. Everything I'm doing this year is so much more strategic and planned out. I'm being very intentional about the things that I do this year. So last year was a year of learning. I took classes, I paid attention. I was on YouTube University trying to figure out new skills, new things, and trying to follow the trends. This year, I'm moving the way that I feel fit for Joe's Craft Journey. And baby, we are off to a good start. This Friday, I will be dropping my new collection over on Etsy. It's not my original plan to drop on Etsy. However, I already have an Etsy account. And to be quite honest with you, Shopify, I can't figure out these Shopify themes. So let me just show you guys the first product that will be put on my Etsy account this Friday. So we are launching 2 new notepads. Now, these are Valentine's Day themed notepads that I created. I designed them in Canva. I came up with the concept. I really worked hard on trying to figure out what I wanted to put out for Valentine's Day. So I have a couple different things that I'll be putting out. So this is just video 1 showing you the first products that we have. So this is the first book. It's My Heart Is Yours. And I also sublimated the back and included my branding. Now, one thing about me is I always make stuff for people. I always make products, but I never really include my branding. And this year, that is one thing that I am hyper focused on. If I want my name to be out there, I want my business to be out there, I have to start branding my products. So with that being said, I made 2 different themes. Now, you guys know I always talk to my husband about everything. What do you think about this? What do you think about that? And one of his responses to this book was that it was very nice, but everything is always ultra girly and feminine. And I wanted to add a little bit of spice, but stay true to who I am because I am just ultra feminine, I guess. So I then came up with this. If I had feelings, they'd be for you. Now, this is a saying that I've seen online that I also liked. So I incorporated that on this notebook, and the back of the book looks like this. Each book is packed with 120 pages. 120 blank pages for you to write down all of your thoughts, ideas, business plans, goals, journal, diary, love notes, whatever it is you choose to use the notebooks for. You will have 120 pages to do so with that. These are all spiral bound notebooks, so you will be able to flip through them, turn them flat, however you choose to write in them. I did not want to do notebooks that were solid on the end because I like to just flip it and write like this. Each notebook measures at 8.07 inches by 5.71 inches. So you do have a lot of room to write in them. They're a perfect little book to throw in your pocketbook. I keep a journal in my pocketbook for all of my ideas because business ideas hit me at random places. But I just wanted to share this with you, and this is just one product that will be launched this Friday over on my Etsy shop, which is Joe's Craft Journey. That will be linked in the description below for you to join. Now, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video where I will be showing you the process of me making these notebooks. Peace. Okay, so thus far I have cut 4 pieces and glued them. So this is just 2 notebooks, the front and the back of a set. I'm gonna do the next 4, and then we're gonna go over to the heat press, and then we're gonna assemble the books. To do is simply verify that all of the books will open up like this, the correct way. So the front is where the front needs to be and the back is where the back needs to be, because I was just a little confused and wasn't sure I did them accurately. And then I'm gonna go in and add here a little bit more tape so the image do not move at all. Okay, these are looking good. So for starters, for this video purpose, I am doing these 4, and then I'm gonna jump back in and do a bunch more, because these will all be available on my Etsy shop, and I at least want to have enough made for when they launch. Just grab my screwdriver because I want to lower my pressure. I don't know if everybody's heat press is the same way, but mine's don't be cranking on its own. So I always gotta screw it so it could adjust a little tighter. So I want the pressure to be tight on the paper. So, okay, perfect. I also went and got parchment paper to put underneath and on top of my notebooks, because I don't want the ink to bleed at all on my machine. So that's what we got going on here. I gotta finish cleaning up in here, so I'm gonna add a little bit more tape because some of them I don't want them to move at all in my image smudge. No movement. No movement. I don't know why that popped in my head, but I don't want it to move at all. So when I'm lifting it or putting it under the machine, I don't want it to smudge. I don't know if it's something that'll happen or not. So that's that one. It's the back piece. We just heat pressed, and I'm super excited to see what these look like. So I'm gonna just use this. They're pretty cool. They're pretty cool down now. So the red with the hearts is my favorite, so gotta see what that came out looking like. Okay. So this is what the back cover is looking like. Ugh, the lighting in here kind of sucks. I think I'm gonna love these, guys. I really think I'm gonna love these. And then the back. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. All right, let's see one of the black. Now I'm mad I put all that extra tape up top to secure it, because it might be harder for me to peel. But we gonna do this. Perfect peel, perfect peel. I'm more excited. I'm getting more and more excited. I said that one was my favorite, but this one I might like actually more. Oh my gosh. This one is probably my fave. Oh yeah. Look how vibrant. Look, I gotta get these in better lighting for you guys. Ugh. I love that. Love, love, love. Oh. Okay, I can't wait to show my guy. I can't wait to show my guy. Oh, I'm so excited. Yes, yes. When something comes out the way you want it to, it's like, yes, yes, automatic. Okay, so I'm gonna do this last one. I'm probably gonna do this one on an Instagram reel real quick. So, all right. So these notebooks, I'm so proud of this. I'm even more excited because I included my branding on it. So, oh my. I know I'd be so extra, but I love this. I love this. So I considered buying a cinch just so I could make notebooks. But then I was like, wait, let me kind of use what I already have. So I found a supplier for these, and I'm so happy with them. I'm so happy with them. So happy. All right, let me thread these real quick. I hope I don't have any issues doing this. Oh yes. Look at that. Oh guys, look. I'm so excited about this. So excited. Guys, look at the notebook. Look at the notebook. All right, I'm gonna close these up. Let me get them all half built at least. Oh my god. And then I'm gonna turn the camera off and make like a million more so I can have a bunch ready for Friday. Next Friday. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna make a bunch of these. I will have them all listed. I'm deciding these will all be listed on Etsy, so I'll have them all ready so I could just grab and go as they're purchased, and I could get them sent out. I'm so excited. But I had to record something so you guys could see me making them. Oh my, I can't wait to show my husband. I can't wait to show my guy. You do not understand how excited I am. And I'm making more products with these same designs. So there will be bundles, there will be packages. Like, I'm so excited. So excited with the way those are coming. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you are getting excited for Friday, because Friday we will have all of these products on Etsy ready to go. So I'm currently on vacation mode on my Etsy account, but it will be active come Friday. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you on my next.